Let's have a look if it's a Dewey for the day. Let's have a look. We got a double header. Dewey! Dewey yum yum. Apparently. There's your first barrel, boy.
Last barrel, mate. That's 5 minutes. Pick them up for photos from the head, and you'll kill them. Put our hand here in the middle of the belly to support them, not to make them look bigger, but so if they kick, we can roll them down.
Joshua. Hi, bros.
Morning. Joshua.
How you going?
Big fish hunter.
Yeah.
It's about sticky Dewey. Yes! No fucking Dewey!
What's wrong with you? Stop it!
Oh, that's a big salmon, mate. Just look.
Couldn't resist.
That's good, eh?
Vexed
Vexed.
on the Z-Man.
And it's a top lip hook again. Good morning, fellas. You can hold him up before you steer him. Alright. All the air's coming out slowly. These guys go back pretty good. Letting the little Dewey go. Hey?
Bye, Dewey.
Bye, Dewey. Look at that. Hey? It's been a good day so far. Hey, look at that dog. That's a big bike. Filling some fish. You've got a couple of admirers over there. Look at that. And I got stuck in the bottom and the squid took it off. Beautiful. Yellow banana.
Yellow banana.
Look at that. Oh, that's going to be lunch. So just right, so the rice is in, everything is just about cooked off, and it's ready to go. So you got your scallops, you got your prawns, you got your crayfish, you got your mussels, you got calamari, you got your wine, you got everything. So I just got a bit more sauce here just to go on. Yeah. I'll drink white wine with it. That's probably flavour plus. So there you go. Wine, we've got to make sure it's all right. And then I just throw it into the pan. Right. What are you doing?
Oh, it's reeling up about 500 metres of line.
Alright, my turn.
She get to the cash when she walk. She look like a bad when she walk. She get to the cash when she walk. She look like a bad when she walk. Girl, do it, do it.
It's been fueled up. Now it's probably going to rain, but
open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight.
nice queen anyway.
Deep sea queen snapper.
That's what you call a nice basket of fish. Look at that.
Nanny there.
Hey?
Yeah.
Look at this, a one line, boys. It is. Oh, two. Two neatos. Hey.
Yeah. Ah, he bit me.
Another third old. But apparently they're good eating. They're good eating, you said.
Apparently.
Look at that. All in one drift. This is a whitey. This is a nice one. Look at that dog.
Nice release, Gary.
It's all about you today.
Oh.
It's all about you. Because of this big fish you got.
Yeah, what a cat! Bloody
Beautiful fish.
half, wasn't it? Oh yeah. Oh, this is a beauty! Look at these two beauties.
just happened? Fucking chunk. Oh well, there goes 5 grand.
Holy shit! Trevor, oh! Oh, yes! Trevor, oh!
Beautiful, eh?
Happy days.
Happy days, alright.
Holy shit! Look at the size of that! Oh, get in there! Try to put me back. Oh, yes! Yeah, buddy.
Oh, yes!
Jewy, Jewy.
How many dolphins is that? Look at that. Oh, you're not going to go hungry tonight? This thing's going nuts. Yes. Come on.
Can I have a break?
No.
All right.
Look at that.
I love them.
What I'm doing today is I'm picking up little Harry, my nephew. He's a mad, crazy fisherman. I'm going to take him out the jet ski today, and he doesn't know I'm coming. So, there's your first squid, Harry.
First squid today.
Well, first squid today. You might get another one. Harry, how was your day?
A lot better than I expected.
Yeah? Hey, West Australian or Australian salmon, hey? They got their own little pool there. Look. So a few people ask me, what do I do with my fish? Well, I'm about to show you. I just got him.
Whoa. Guys! Here's one.
There you go.
Where are we allowed to keep one?
Well, why not?
Oh.
You should give that to Frank here. There you go.
What are you going to do?
No, I can't eat fish. I'm allergic to fish.
Everybody say Aquaholiks.
Aquaholiks.
There he comes. There he goes. There he goes. Oh, that's it. Hey. Ugly things they are. Ugly.
And yes! Jumper!
I'm here with Chris O. G'day, Chris O. What do you want to catch? What do you want to catch?
Sergeant Baker, maybe?
That's 4 in a row, buddy. Oh, yes. You wouldn't believe it? That's number 5. Oh, look at the size of that little thing. Is it really or not? Is it? Come on, show us, show us. I want to see it. I want to see it. Is it really? It is!
Sarge King. Yeah, boy. Oh, look at the piece.
Finally,
Oh,
Frank.
mate, I'll tell you, buddy, what, it's making me work. Well, I'll tell you what, if it is a joy, I'll kiss it. Joy! I told you it's a joy. Go, quick! Oh, Bello! You little beauty!
How'd you get it, Dewey?
What a champion I am, and modest.
Okay, now that is one big arch. That's so big. That is unbelievably big. Sandy on here, squid killer. Yeah. Good luck, Will. May the force be with you, mate.
May the force be with us all, I think.
Yeah, let's check that. Oh, look at this. 2 fish, 1 hook. 2 fish, 1 jug. I can't believe it. Hey? That's awesome, Josh.
Yeah, so basically you can get them up to 3+ metres. Probably in rivers more responsible of killing more people than anything. There's ones in Queensland that kill people in the canals.
Look at that. This is called a punt, and it's very close to the water. Look at that. Healthy as. Hey. What is he? Oh, that's a good meat. Good meat. Woohoo!
Is he?
That's good meat, buddy.
Okay.
This is a deep sea John Dory. It's cooking up nicely. Meantime, I just have a refreshment. Sunday. You ready? Okay. Now there's still a bit sore, so she's out there, right?